Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima Jyoti here. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials at affordable ranges. Okay, so today I have brought up some South silk cotton sarees. Okay, it's all South silk cotton sarees. These sarees will look as like the silk sarees. Okay, the design will be the replica of the silk sarees, but the fabric is a South silk cotton sarees. Priced at 1100, shipping is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges you have to calculate 100 rupees extra to the total product cost and the total shipping charges. So per order 100 rupees is extra for availing COD orders. Okay, so I will go with the products now. Okay, so first let's start with the famous sari. Okay, it's a Jyotika sari replica. Okay, so this is a black sari. In this design we have only the black available currently. Okay, so this is how the sari will be looking. It's called as Jyotika sari. It's a black color sari. Okay, you can see the design here. One side you have the mango design. Okay, and the other is a temple design with a mild silver zari running over. Okay, so this is the first sari. It's a black color sari, and the pallu will be very rich. Okay, so this is the pallu, black with gold. Okay, the blouse coming with jacquard. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. Okay, so this is the jacquard blouse. Okay, with the temples in both the sides. This is a silk cotton sari, priced at 1100. Shipping is extra. So this is the full body look. You have the alternating mango and the temple designs together. Okay, the fabric is silk cotton. Priced at 1100, shipping extra. So this is a pallu and this is a full look of the sari. For all the orders and enquiries, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. I have mentioned the details as well in the description, so you can refer to that as well. Okay, so this is the first sari. So moving with the second one, it's a dark lemon yellow color. Okay, lemon yellow color, but you have the darker shade. It has the silver zari. Okay, this sari has the silver zari. It's a dark lemon yellow shade. We will be posting the pictures as well in the page after the live is done. Okay, so you can cross verify the colors in the image. We will be giving the real color as much as possible in the images as well, so you can ask for more detailed pictures also. We will be always welcome. So this is the pallu. You have the silver work here. So this is the pallu. You can see very rich pallu. Okay, and you have the bird design in the border. One side it's a small border. In the small border also you have a very rich work done. Okay, so you have the contrasting pink color pallu with silver checks, bigger checks, and you have the sari like this. Okay, I will show you the body part again. So this is the body part. It's a dark lemon yellow color with silver zari. So this is the full look of the sari. All over the sari the same pattern applies. The fabric is silk cotton, priced at 1100. Shipping extra. So this is the full look of the sari. You have the blouse piece like this. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So before the order, if the color is very crucial, we will be sharing the real pictures as well. So I'm moving with the next one. It's a light green with dark green combination. Very lovely color, and these kind of silk sarees are very demanded. So this is the next one. It's a light green with dark green, bottle green combination. So you have a mild golden zari work butta running. Okay, you can see the butta. So it's not plain. And border you have the chakra and whale symbol. Okay, and this is the pallu. You have a simple pallu with golden work. So I will give you the closer look of the pallu as well. And the blouse comes running with plain design. Okay, so this is a blouse piece. Okay, it will come plain with just the colors. Okay, so this is the full look of the saree. All over the saree the same design applies. This is the body part. Okay, so please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries, so it will be comfortable for us to share more details on that. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. So this is the next one. It's a dark blue color. You have the multicolor purple shade. Okay, so blue and purple together. So this is the body part. It will come like this. Okay, so you have the borders will have the layers here. Okay, and you have the jacquard body here. The body is jacquard, you can see. Oh, so the body part is jacquard woven, and the pallu is also jacquard woven. Okay, you have the tissue kind of a border here, and this is the pallu, a very rich pallu. These will look simple, but when you drape it, it will look very, very elegant. And this is the blouse piece. You have the similar design, but it will be very plain. Okay, it won't have any zari works in the blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece. So this is the saree. Okay, all over the saree you have a plain jacquard woven body with multiple layers of borders. Okay, so this is the full saree. We will be shipping across India and worldwide also. The shipping charges varies depending upon the location. For India, it's 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges 100 rupees you have to calculate extra to the order. So this is the next one. It's a mango yellow with purple shade. Okay, bluish purple shade. Very lovely combination and very lovely design as well. So this is the body part. The fabric is silk cotton. Very lovely. It will be softer only. It won't be much rougher. Okay, it will be softer, and when you drape it, it will be as like in the position which you drape. Okay, silk cotton na ungalku kasanga romba alaga irukum. So this is a saree. Okay, you have the olive green color in the pallu, and the blouse is also olive green color, and you have the body part like this. Actually, in the body, the first 2 meters you will be having the buttas in the closer places, but as the saree goes, keela neenga drape panna ungalku vandu buttas, it will come within the spaces, so that when you drape it, it will be looking very nice. Okay, so this is how the saree will be. It's a yellow with purple, price is 1100. All the sarees are priced at 1100 with olive green pallu and olive green blouse piece, and this is the full look of the saree. You have the temples in the borders as well. So golden temples in both the corners. So this saree is very, very simple, full purplish saree. Okay, you have a mild lines. Okay, hope you can able to see the lines here with a tissue border. Okay, this is a tissue border. Okay, with peacock butta. And you have a very rich tissue pallu. Okay, this saree has a tissue pallu. Purple saree, full plain purple saree. So this is the body part. You have the peacock in the tissue pallu. And the blouse comes plain. Okay, this is the blouse piece. You have this as similar to the saree. You have the lines and the borders. And the saree will be plain with just lines coming in the body part. Okay. So this is the body part. You can see it. A full purplish color with tissue work. Okay, so this is the border and this is the pallu. Sorry, blouse piece. And this is the pallu. Okay, I'm moving with the next one. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for all the orders. So the next one is a very lovely orange color, and the border you have a bigger size border. Okay, this you have a bigger border here in both the corners. Okay, in both the sides you have the big size border, a lovely orange shade with golden zari work. So you have a small buttas all over the sari. So full sari you have the buttas, but as like the previous one, the buttas will be coming in spaces as the sari moves. Okay, so in the first top about 2 to 2.5 meters you will be having the buttas in the closer places. So this is the body part and this is the pallu. Okay, a very rich pallu. Hope you can able to see the pallu here. A good for golden sari pallu, and you have the tissue border again in the sari. Okay, with full zari work. Okay, so in the body part you have this kind of a butta, and in the pallu you have the design varies. You have the plain blouse. The blouse is plain with tissue border again. Okay, a plain Getty zari border. So this is the border and this pallu and the sari. Okay, a orangish color. The border is also a dark shade of orange. Price at 1100. Shipping is extra. Fabric is silk cotton. So the next one is a checked sari, multicolor sari with one side big border and the other side tiny border. So it's a full check with peacock feather butta coming. So this is the body part with full peacock butta in the border. So other side is just a small goldenish border, golden zari border. So this is the pallu. You have the golden zari pallu, a very rich pallu again. And the blouse piece comes in the same color of the sari. Okay. You can use the normal jacquard blouse if you want to also. It will look very elegant if you are a comfort jacquard blouse also. Okay. So this is the full look of the sari. Okay. So as the sari goes, the buttas will be coming with spaces. But the initial portion you have the buttas all over the sari with close-up waist. Okay. So this is the next sari. So this is the full look of the sari. So please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So the next one is again a mango with purple but with a different design. Okay. So you have the floral butta here. You can able to see it, I hope. So you have the floral butta here. It's a mango with purple. Okay. You have a tissue kind of a border here. It's not full tissue border, but it's a semi-tissue border. Okay. So this is the pallu. You have the purple shaded pallu with full floral and mango design. So this is the pallu design. Hope you can able to see it. And the blouse comes contrast in the same color of a pallu. Okay, so this is the blouse piece. You have the plain with just the borders. The border size is both same in both the ends. Okay, all over the sari you have the floral buttas. Okay, so this is the next one. Okay, I'll take the paper. So this is the full look of the sari. Price is 1100. The fabric will be very, very fine. Okay. So this is the body part. Okay. So please take the screenshot for all the orders and enquiries. You can view all my collections in my catalog. In my WhatsApp catalog, we have listed all the available collections. So in my profile, you can verify the catalog. I have mentioned the direct catalog link also. So the next one is a bottle green color, a very lovely color. Okay, a very simple design but very lovely color combination. So you can see the butta here. I hope it's a bottle green color. It's an embossed pattern, very rich pallu. So this is the body part. Okay, a simple embossed design with very grand pallu. Okay, this is bottle green. You have a bigger border here and the medium size border, a small border here with full peacock design. And this is the pallu, a very rich, simple pallu but very rich pallu. Okay, and the blouse piece comes in the same color. Okay, it's a self color with just embossed design. So this is the next one. It's a bottle green with the golden zari work. Ma'am, once the live is done, we will be publishing it on our page, ma'am. You can verify there. Okay, you can see all the details there. The video will be coming again in our page, so you can see our collections. So this is the next one. My page name is Shri Purnima. So this is the last saree. It's a full purple saree. So a traditional silk type, okay. The design I am saying that it's a traditional design, okay. It's a full purple color with full buttas. So this is the buttas, mostly the same applies, okay. First 2 meters to 2.5 meters the buttas will be closer, but as the saree goes you will be having the buttas in spaces, so that when you drape it and pleat it, when you are pleating it, it will look very nice, okay. If you have plenty of buttas, it will be very clumsy also, right? So that's the pattern we will be giving. So this is the pallu, and the blouse piece comes plain in the same color. So this is the blouse piece. It's a plain with just the border similar to the saree, okay. So full saree look is this one. It's a full purplish saree, a traditional design for some persons who likes a normal traditional design. So this is the one. So this is the body, okay. You have the lotus kind of a butta, lotus butta all over the saree, okay. So it's a full purple saree, priced at 1100. All the sarees which we displayed today are 1100. Shipping is extra. 60 rupees both in Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges 100 rupees. You have to calculate extra per order. Okay, so the total product cost plus the total shipping charges plus 100 rupees. How many number of products in the same order is not considered. Okay, 100 rupees extra you have to calculate per order for COD. So that's how we are processing. So thanks for watching. These are the collections we have today. Please like and follow our page, so that we will be coming up with plenty of new collections as Diwali also coming. So please like my page and please see all the videos which we are explaining the details, okay. Also cross verify the colors with the images that we will be posting. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Keep shopping with us. Have a good day. Bye bye.